Hey YouTube followers, this is Sweeney Todd, aka Leah, Sweeney Reloaded doing. I'd love to see some firework videos. As you all know, there's a big fire that's raging through Colorado, and I have a lot of friends in Colorado. Let's make them a video collaboration. Seriously, it'd be cool. But yeah, with them, they can take a few fingers off, toes off, maybe a nose. But anyway, you guys have a great rest of the day, great rest of the week, and great rest of the